Hello guys, welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. Recently my iPhone 13 has occurred a bug that it will suddenly black screen and won't turn on. No matter how I tried, it just won't turn on. It can be quite frustrating, but don't worry. I have found 3 different methods to get your iPhone 13 back up and running. So, let's dive in. Before you try any of these methods, let's go through a quick pre-check. Make sure that your iPhone is plugged in and has at least 50% battery life. If it's still not turning on, try a different charger or power outlet. The first thing you can try is a force restart. This will usually fix minor software issues that are preventing your iPhone from turning on. For iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro, press and quickly release the volume up and the volume down buttons. Then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. If a force restart doesn't work, you can try repairing your iPhone with iTunes. This will restore your iPhone to its factory settings, but it will erase all of your data. So make sure you back up your data before you start. Next, you need to put your iPhone in recovery mode first. So connect your iPhone to iTunes. Then, do the same thing that used to force restart iPhone. Volume up, volume down, then press and hold the side button. But this time hold a little longer. Keep holding till the support interfaces show up. Click Restore in this pop-up. Then it will start downloading the firmware that is needed. Once the download is complete, it will start the restore process. Method 3. Fix with Tenorshare ReiBoot. Our third and final method involves using a third-party tool called ReiBoot. This software allows you to fix various iOS issues without data loss. Once downloaded, connect your iPhone to the PC or Mac. Then click on the green Start button and choose the standard repair option. Here will require download the firmware to repair your iPhone. Click it. When the download is finished, click the Start Standard Repair option. It will begin to repair your iPhone 13 will turn on problem. Be patient and relax, it will be done soon. Then it is done. You can see my iPhone 13 Pro is already turned on normally. Thank God! All my data is still there. Congratulations! If you followed any of the methods we discussed, your iPhone 13 should now be up and running again. If for some reason your iPhone still won't turn on, then you may need to take it to an Apple store for further assistance. I will be grateful if you subscribe. See you next time.